Hello fashion fans, welcome to another episode of Clothing Made Easy. I'm your humble host Tanner Killy Carslan, and we're here to demystify the world of clothing manufacturing. Now we're here for a follow-up episode to the previous episode, which was about different types of designers. And we're here again with Valerie Susilo, who's the creative director at cmgarmindo. And we're gonna be talking about, what are we talking about, Valerie?
Today we're talking about tag pack. So tag pack is a collection of information that the designers give to the manufacturer in a way to communicate with them. So in a tag pack, there's a lot of different information, obviously. First is the sketches, what garments are you making, the size, the color, the artworks, everything. The more information, the better. Think of it as a blueprint to your house. So when you're building a house, you will tell the architect, I want this to be inside my house. I want to have 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms and stuff. So it is a blueprint to your garment.
That is an excellent analogy. And this is such an important topic. I'm so excited that Valerie is here. Let's get started. All right, Valerie, so we're up here at your really cool workstation.
Yes.
What are we looking at?
So we're going to have a look at what it goes into the tag pack.
Awesome. Let's jump in.
Let's jump in. Okay, so this is the cover page of our tag pack. The first cover page shows the garment that we're using, the callouts, and the fabric of it.
What do you mean by callouts? What are we looking at?
Callout is just the instruction of the fabric, like how it's fit and how it's cut. The next one is the bill of material.
Oh, I love this one. The BOM,
Yes,
B-O-M.
the BOM. So the bill of material is the shopping list for your garment. It consists of what fabric, what prints, are you dyeing it, are you screen printing it, trimmed components, label text, and everything of it. This is so crucial for you because it's going to end up being what the total cost of your garment going to be.
What we always try to describe this to our client services, in the client services and sales department, is we try to remind clients that this is like a recipe, you know, when you're going to make like a dinner,
exactly.
And you need all the different ingredients and you can figure out what the cost is.
Exactly. The next one, this is the front callout. So this is just an instruction for the front panel. And also the back callout, the instruction for the back panel. So remember, the front and the back is not the same. Next one, this is the most crucial part as well. This is the point of measure.
Palm.
The palm. So in this one, this shows the dimension of your garments, like let's say the G part. G is the front leg opening. B is the front length. And this is very, very crucial for you because it's going to end up being the total fabric consumption of your garment.
Wow, you know, and also one thing to remember is that anytime there's a print or if we're going to be dyeing fabrics,
yes.
This is going to help us calculate the fabric consumption, and it's going to also tell us how much the dyeing and the printing costs are going to be.
Yes, especially if you're going to have like a screen print with one way of pattern, then that's going to cost even more.
Wow.
This page is for the pattern. We will talk more about this one in the next episode.
Awesome.
This one is the page for the colorway. So in this particular garment, it's only going to have one color only, but some clients came up with us to, let's say, they want to see the garment in like 5 different colors. So we will give it to them and show them this is how it's going to be in this different kind of pattern, fabric, maybe screen print, or just solid color like this.
Remember everybody, as you're looking at this, our industry, the textile industry, works in Pantone color codes. So if you're actually curious about what the colors are that you're actually asking about, they're not in hex codes. That's for graphics or computer design. Pantone color codes, the best thing to do is go on Google, search for the word Pantone, type in the name of the color that you want, and Google is going to spit out all the different types of similar colors, hues, etc.
Yep. The next one is the artworks. If you have a artwork, let's say this graphic print like this, a screen print logo, or maybe the full length of pattern, we will show it to you, the placement, the sizing, the dimension, the colors, and etc.
And this also works for embroidery, right?
It is.
Awesome.
This is the brand label and tags page. So in this page, we show you the size label if you want it to be in a different size, different dimensions, the care label, where it's going to be positioned and what's the dimension of it. If you have a special tags on design, we will show it to you as well. So all of this is making our tag pack.
Wow, Valerie, that was such an insightful episode related to tech packs. Everybody, that is like a very technical element of what it's like to be in the technical fashion design field and what it's like to be on the manufacturer's side. If you felt that you liked this episode and it was informative, don't forget to like and subscribe below. Ding, 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 the little bell. And thanks again for Valerie. So do you have any sort of parting words for our viewers?
So as I mentioned in the previous episode, keep it simple, keep it clear, keep it easy for us to understand so we can get your tech pack ready in a snap.
Awesome. Thanks very much, everybody, for watching, and we'd love to see you again.